Hey everyone, Jay Kapit here with Jason Kapit Real Estate in sunny South Florida. If you've been searching for luxury, privacy, and resort-style living, this is it. Together with Audrey Benassi, the #1 Keller Williams agent in South Florida for 9 consecutive years, we're proud to present 15201 Southwest 74th Place in Palmetto Bay. This one-story, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath estate spans nearly 5,500 square feet, completely reimagined for comfort and modern elegance. A grand living room with vaulted ceilings flows into a light-filled family room, while impact windows and doors open to your private resort-style pool and patio. The chef's kitchen steals the show, an oversized island with seating, rich cabinetry, double-wall ovens, and generous counter space, ideal for gatherings in a formal dining area built for 14 or more. Every corner reflects attention to detail, renovated designer baths, custom zebra shades, a new roof, and a fully fenced backyard that's perfect for entertaining or relaxing in style. Just minutes from Cutler Bay, Palmetto Bay, and Pinecrest, you'll enjoy top-rated schools, parks, shopping, and fine dining, all within reach. And as for location highlights, you're close to US 1, South Dixie Highway, and the Palmetto Expressway, providing fast access to Coral Gables, Brickell, and Dadeland, typically under 15 minutes. And sports fans will love the proximity to Hard Rock Stadium, home of the Miami Dolphins and major concerts, and to Miami Freedom Park, the future home of Inter Miami CF. And for dining, local favorites like Beauty and the Butcher, 450 Grotti, Morton Steakhouse, and Elegant Biltmore Brunch are just a short drive away. Healthcare options are equally impressive. Jackson South Medical Center, Baptist Health South Miami, and UHealth Palmetto Bay all deliver award-winning care minutes from your doorstep. And when it's time to travel, you're minutes away from Miami International and Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International airports, and have multiple options for private charter flights. This isn't just a spectacular home, it's a South Florida lifestyle hub with premier road access, world-class medical care, elite sports venues, and exceptional dining all nearby. 15201 Southwest 74th Place offers both luxury and convenience in one incredible address. So schedule your private tour today, and be sure to subscribe to my Off-Market podcast on YouTube, where we explore the deals, stories, and personalities that define South Florida real estate and lifestyle. New episodes drop weekly, so like, subscribe, and stay tuned. I'm Jason Kapit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.